English together.
Hi everyone, welcome back to English Together Night Show. Today, we will have an interview with our guest. Listen to the questions and answers to improve English together. What's your name?
My name is Emily.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from New York City.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like running and watching movies.
Do you have any siblings?
I'm an only child.
What's your favorite animal?
I like cats.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 8 a.m.
What's your favorite food?
I like spaghetti.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What is your major?
My major is business administration.
How do you go to university?
I go to university by bus.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like oranges.
What did you do yesterday?
I dined out with my friends.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Let It Be.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like traveling.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
What's your favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is SpongeBob.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Thanks for being here with us.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.